I have a pair of Uberti Cattleman in 45 Colt that I used for several years in cowboy action shooting, and about the past year they've been sitting in the safe. And so I got them out and I wanted to shoot them again, and hadn't really taken them down and cleaned them completely for a while, so I decided to do that. Everything went well except for one screw that cammed out on me, and yes, I was using the right gunsmith screwdrivers and have taken guns apart many times and not had a problem. But this time I wasn't nearly so lucky, and it cammed out. After not being able to get the screw out with any trick I had to resort to taking a Dremel tool and grounding the head off the screw. And then this is kind of the result I had. I also tried taking a Dremel tool and sawing a notch across the screw and then trying it out, but it just broke off the side. Here's my setup. I used wooden blocks putting in this vise. The vise is C-clamped onto the bench. You can't see it from this angle. And I had tape on the barrel to keep it from marring. This whole process from start to finish took most of a week, and every other day I'd take some blue creeper and put on the screw, hoping that it would help break it loose. It didn't seem to have much effect on this one. This one was really stuck. I bought an easy out from the local hardware store and center punched the hole and used a center drill to start it, an appropriate size drill to drill the hole out. But as you can see, I broke off I had to use a diamond crusted bit to drill out the easy out. I used a small size to get down all the way to the bottom. It took a little bit, but it actually worked. I used a cone-shaped bit to try to open up the hole to where the easy out would work again. It kind of worked like a reamer instead of turning it out. It wouldn't bring out the screw. I bought two tapping dies from Midway USA in an 8/36 thread. One is a starting tap and the other one is a bottoming tap. Turned out I really needed both of them. I just happened to have the appropriate number 29 drill bit to drill for the 8/36 thread tap. I actually waited an extra day so I could get a good fresh start and the tapping process so I wouldn't break off another tap. The tapping process went on just fine. It was a little tedious, but made it through it alright. Years ago I prepared for this eventuality by ordering an extra screw when I was ordering other parts from tailors, and that's why I had it on stock. Well, the nightmare is over. It took about a week, but looks like we've got a good repair here. I'll have to be a little gentle with this screw. I'll mark it somehow so I'll know that not to tighten it down real tight.